Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTX price prediction and Iotex news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Iotex in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, Iotex has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem, where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, Iotex has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the Iotex blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of Iotex are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Technical analysis. AMP surges, IOTX lower after Friday's jump. Disclaimer, this info 15 days later. Friday's big gainer IOTX fell lower on Saturday, as a red wave continued to submerge crypto markets to start the weekend. Overall, cryptocurrencies were down around 5% as of writing. Biggest gainers on a day where the majority of the crypto market was trending lower. Finding a bull was no mean feat. However, there were two exceptions, one being EGLD, but the standout was AMP, which rose by close to 10% during the session. AMP United States dollar, which was trading at a low of $0.03055 on Friday, climbed to an intraday high of $0.03723 earlier today. Today's move came as the price of AMP rallied to resistance of $0.0340, briefly breaking out of this level in the process. Despite falling below this level since, prices are still higher than yesterday's low, as bulls managed to resist the onslaught from Saturday's bear market. Price strength rose to a high of 49, which was the highest level since January 4, but this ceiling has so far held firm. The moving averages of 10 days, red, and 25 days, blue, have since seen an upside crossover, which keeps hopes alive of upcoming bullish momentum. Biggest losers for the third time this week, the bull of one day moved to being the biggest loser the next, as IOTX gave up some of Friday's gains. IOTX, which surged by as much as 15% yesterday, dropped by a similar percentage on Saturday, as traders appear to have secured profits. The price of IOTX United States dollar, which hit a high of $0.1195 yesterday, fell to an intraday low of $0.0965 today, as markets seem to be heading for support at $0.1120. Despite today's move, price strength still remains in overbought territory, and is tracking at 52.95 on the 14-day RSI. This could be music to the ears of longer-term bears who may see this as an opportunity to maintain their short positions. The next news, on Iotex. NFTs are taking the world by storm for all the right reasons. For what's there, the scene is growing at a faster than anticipated rate, exceeding expectations. The uptake of NFTs and the acceptance of blockchain-based solutions has been especially exciting. At the moment, NFT statistics are impressive. On OpenSea alone, the marketplace has cumulatively moved assets exceeding $10 billion, less than 6 months after crossing the $1 billion market. Meanwhile, the significance of NFTs in various sectors is there to be seen so much that the number of organic searches related to the new blockchain subsector grew to exceed crypto for the first time in history. This unprecedented growth would likely spill to 2022, but with NFTs finding solid applications. NFTs are used to store images that can represent real-world assets, effectively linking the physical world with innumerable opportunities presented by the blockchain, while also concurrently introducing a new twist to tokenization. Although NFTs permeate gaming, art, and e-commerce, their features can also find immense use in real estate. Introducing SumoTex. This is precisely why SumoTex wants to explore and benefit users. The spice in SumoTex is the pride of owning real-world assets invested by the fund and represented as NFTs on the Iotex blockchain. Besides fractional ownership of prime real estate, SumoTex is also changing how NFTs are valued. Ordinarily, NFTs are determined by market forces of supply and demand. However, in SumoTex, the value of all minted, on-chain NFTs will be directly determined by SumoTex's portfolio comprising high-value real estate set to earn consistent revenue from tenancy agreements. As a result, the higher their portfolio, measured in assets under management, is, the more valuable their NFTs are. The special edition NFT by SumoTex allows the holder to earn dividends drawn from the firm's profits, while the API of the fund NFT is tied to its fund pool. Since the firm plans to only purchase undervalued assets and mint NFTs from them, allowing fractional ownership, the first batch of limited NFTs sold out in less than 7 minutes. This has proven that the community has a strong belief on SumoTex, which generated the overwhelming demand. The inevitable tokenization of traditional finance assets and instruments opting for real estate wasn't by accident. Instead, it was a well-thought strategy considering how central real estate is in traditional finance. Furthermore, according to Bill Tai, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether IOTX will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents.